School Watch tonight, we spoke with the Department of Education to help break down the specifics of Nevada's new anti-bullying law, which Governor Sandoval signed into law yesterday. Chloe Beardsley joins us from the newsroom now with a closer look. Chloe?
Well, Wendy, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services estimates 1 in 3 students have been bullied at school. This new bill creates an office which deals specifically with school bullying cases and ways to combat the problem.
Before Senate Bill 504, the governor's office received letters from parents whose families have been torn apart by bullying. One read,
I'm a parent of a child who suffered months of severe verbal and physical abuse. On December 12, 2013, a beautiful young girl took her life at the age of 13 because she was bullied to death.
It was many cases like this that led lawmakers to take action against the growing problem of bullying.
Sadly, I can no longer keep track of the number of suicides that have occurred on my watch.
With this new law, Dale Urquiaga says there's finally a better plan in place.
It does 3 things. It defines bullying for all of our schools so we all understand what that term means. It requires the department to set up an office of safe and respectful learning and provide training to districts personnel and charter school personnel. And it establishes a really clear complaint process.
Urquiaga says it's going to cost up to $300,000 a year to fund this new department. The money will come from the general fund pending the approval of the School Appropriations Act, which funds all education programs.
We spend about $2.8 billion over the biennium on public education. So this is a very small but critical component of that entire budget.
It will have up to 5 staff members, including 2 new positions created in the governor's budget to run programs and a complaint hotline. The superintendent's office will be in charge of oversight, and with this new law, there's more than just laying out the framework for bullying training. There's also accountability with the schools.
This bill also clarifies that administrators and school staff can be disciplined if they don't comply with the complaint and reporting investigation requirements. And so we want to take this very seriously.
And the law goes into effect July 1st. That's when a 24-hour hotline will also open, along with the complaint process to report bullying. Funding for additional staff members will start in early October, and the Washoe County School District is also working on creating an anti-bullying app for students to report bullying in school. Covering School Watch, Chloe Beardsley, Channel 2 News.